Hi guys, in today's tutorial I'm going to be showing you how you can import beats to BandLab on your computer or laptop. Now the first thing you need to do, guys, you want to search for BandLab on your browser. This is going to work on any browser you are using. Now as you can see in the first result, as you can see, it says here BandLab make music online. Just click on it. Now after that, it's going to take you guys to this page. Make sure you log in into your BandLab account. Now that's the first thing you need to do. Now after that, guys, you want to click on create here in the top right. As you can see here, guys, you just need to click here on create. Now after, guys, you click on create, then it will ask you guys to choose one of these, or song starter, like generate an idea within AI, or create an empty project. Now you want to go with the first one, which is like create an empty project. And after that, it's going to take you guys to this page. You just need to give it a few seconds. Now this will pop up. You just need to click here. It says import audio, as you can see here. Okay, just click on import audio. And after, guys, you click on import audio, then you just need to select the audio from your laptop. And as you can see, this is the audio here. Okay, you can play with it, you can like make changes, you can change your voice. Okay, so yeah, hopefully, guys, this one helped you. This is how you can import the audio to your BandLab. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments. I try to reply to everyone, so just comment below, guys, and I will try to reply to you guys if you have any questions or anything like that, or you want me to make more videos about this BandLab. Okay, so drop a like and see you guys next tutorial.